In this video, you will be learning about adding and creating contacts in Gmail. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. All profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Adding contacts. Like all major email providers, Gmail lets you keep an address book of contacts so you don't have to memorise everyone's email addresses. You can also add other contact information like phone numbers, birthdays, and physical addresses. To add a contact, click the Google Apps button, then click the Contacts button in the drop-down menu. Then your contacts screen will appear. Click the Add New Contact button in the lower right corner. Enter the contact information, then click Save. To edit a contact, in the Google Apps drop-down menu, select Contacts. Locate the contact you want to edit, then click Edit Contact. You can now make any changes you want to the contact. By default, when you send an email to a new address, Gmail adds the address to your contacts. You can then go to your contacts to edit the person's information as needed. Importing mail and contacts. You may already have a contact list from another email address, and it would be a lot of work to re-enter all of this information manually. Gmail allows you to import your contacts from another email account, and you can even import all of your email messages from that account. Several email providers are supported, including Yahoo, Hotmail, and AOL. To add other accounts, first click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page, then select Settings. Go to Accounts and click Add a Mail Account. You can then follow the instructions on the screen to import your mail. Now that you've learned about adding and creating contacts in Gmail, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.